Today we will learn how to find a research paper regarding your research. Everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel Halet Chaudhary. If you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and share this video among your friends. In this video, let me show you how to find research papers regarding your research. So there are two ways to precise the research papers using Google Scholar. First way, which is a custom range, second way, which is a matrices. I will elaborate these two ways step by step. So next, I try to open the Google Scholar in Google search bar. Here we will use required specific research paper article name, such as synthesis of bismuth molybdate composites for antibacterial applications. So there are lots of articles which are shown here, lots of research papers, and then I want very precise research papers which are related to my subject requirements. So I can also adjust the custom range for the specific research articles to make more precise. Let's see. So these are very precise articles, research paper articles. If you are writing any review article, then definitely you have such more and more literature in detail related to your topic, related to your field. And if you are writing thesis, research paper, and research proposal, then you have to download the latest or more cited and more needed work. Then check the top citations of the paper and click on the related work. So here I will check the top citations. So maximum citations which are mentioned in this article, which is also relevant to my area of research. Modulation of bismuth molybdate based materials for photocatalytic water splitting environmental applications. So I will open related articles regarding to this research paper. So these are all related articles which are more precise than previous window articles. So here I can download, I can search related articles, research paper articles, novel and more cited research articles to write the thesis and research paper research proposal from all these articles. So next, another way of finding the research articles, which is what can we do to make more precise research articles in another way. So here I will open matrices. So the matrices will show you the top cited publications, top cited international journals. So there are almost 100 top cited international journals. Then you can select your required top journal according to your subject requirement by choosing from the categories. As you can choose your area of research which belongs to chemical and material science. So here chemical and material science also have subcategories. Then you can also choose as subcategories composite materials, and you can also select the top cited international journal from the given list regarding to your area of research. So here is the composite structure journal, and here is the journal of composite for construction, international journal of adhesive and adhesives, composite B, part B engineering. So I will select relevant journal composite part B engineering, and I will paste this journal into advanced search to make more customized. So here from this option I will select advanced search. So here return article published in the journal of composite part B engineering. So next I also adjust the custom range from 2018 to 2021. Then I will search. So these all the research articles which are belongs to International Journal of Part B Engineering. All the articles in this list are in the same or only one journal, which is Part B Engineering. So Part B Engineering articles you can also download according to your field, according to your subject requirement, research paper. So let's see, I will review by scrolling my required research paper. So this is the nanocomposite electromagnetism. So here graphene based material and their composite, a review on production application and product limitation. Then I have selected. So first go back. You can select, you can make more precise research articles from the related articles, as if you are writing any thesis, any research proposal, any research paper, then you have to select the top cited research paper, which leads to your research paper novel and more authentic. If you find your research paper from high impact factor journals, these high impact factor journals leads your research towards the top citations and more authentications. So from these options you can see here almost there are 2051 citations of the first article. So I want to make more precise research articles regarding to my subject requirement, so I can open here related articles again. So these are more precise related articles regarding to my subject requirement. So I can choose one of the related article from the given list. So let's see. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just ask it in